Since I can't seem to get the clock going, I'm going to try this thing. B&K tester. CRT tester. It just does not seem to... It powers on, kind of. Like, the lights work. It's just, there's no output. Damn. Shit. I don't know how annoying this thing is, but yeah, it's supposed to do color, but it just doesn't do shit. No sound, no nothing. I do have a oscilloscope, actually. I can probably use it. I forgot how fast. As long as it's less than, I think, 5? Maybe? No. No, it's a few thousand. Shit. Because my other oscilloscope is done goofed. Yeah, I need to find a model and then see. I also take it out of its case, which is really, really annoying. I'm going to push this side in, and then push it out. But yeah, here's this part. And then you have this. See where I got it from. I should try it again too. Dynascan video. I don't have plugs for this end, but it came with these ones back here, so that should work. Let me get it CRT and everything I need. Got this hooked up. This thing is really sticky. I don't know why. It's like, it's not rubber, it's leather. But it's sticky. Oh, it's all over my thumb. Anyway, it's all hooked up. Connect to this TV. This Sears. Remember when that existed? Through the back, I have it set, I believe. This is not connected to this, but this is... I know my thing's a mess, but usually that table's... I use that table for my work stuff, but that plant's been sitting there for the last few months. Honestly, it probably should go back outside. It should be warm enough. Anyway. Let's see. This is a black and white TV only, so we're not going to see any color. Yeah, let's stick with a single line. Audio. Channel 3. No color. Oh, that's off. No movement down there. Actually, no, there is very, very little movement. Okay. So it is pulling something. That's... Hopefully I can keep the antenna sticking. Channel... Low VHF. Channel 3. You hear the audio. I don't know. Oh, it'd be better if I... Yeah, nothing. I'm flipping everything and nothing's changing. The only thing I can't check is IF, which would do, I don't know, well, I know what IF would be like skipping the channel, which I could, technically would be composite. Do I have a composite monitor? Like, with me? I mean, I have plenty, I just... do as little dragging out of shit as possible. I do have an oscilloscope. I will check that. Hang on. Well, here's the only one I have, which is not high frequency, and these are the only probes I could find. I can't find the thick ones. I don't know where the thick ones went. But, yeah. Thing is, that's off right now. Actually. There's no power. Nothing's going in. Yet. It seems cyclical. Hang on. So that's like half a volt, but that's continuous. Okay. What happens if I turn this thing on? It flattens out. I could be just using this thing completely wrong. Hell, I could be. Man, how come it produces more of a sine wave when off than on? Hey, this thing's getting weird. Okay. Oh. What the fuck? That's all the same. Yeah, 10 millicycles. So back to 1, 2. Whoa! It just jumped. Why? 1. Why is it jumping? What the fuck? I just turned on sound. Okay. It is on. It's like, okay. When it turns off, more... Okay. Let me turn that off so I don't waste power. That's weird. I'm actually going to try it with these holes. I need 2 hands for that, though. Okay, something tells me, because so if I just put this on, this off, like, it's not connected to anything. It just, so I think that's 60 hertz from the, power. That would make sense. 10, it looks like 6. I would say, yeah, probably. I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that is 60 hertz. I couldn't think for half a second. But, so, it's like the ground of this is not good, which, I mean, who I could have guessed. But, no matter what I do, all of those are flat. Like, nothing on there. So, let's open it up. Took it apart. Of course, trash everywhere. Really need to get my table back. I'm putting you outside tomorrow. I'm guessing it was probably a bad capacitor. Well, I'm guessing it would be a bad capacitor, but I find it weird how... Okay, it's weird that it's still oscillating. Oh, you know what I haven't done yet? I should find the schematic for this. That would probably be a whole lot more helpful. Hopefully I can find some voltages or something. Well, I found the schematic, thankfully. And while looking for a screwdriver, I found what I was looking for. How come that always happens? Anyway, what I'm probably going to do is power this thing on and start poking through, make sure, trying to see if I can find, because there's a 16 volt voltage there. I want to make sure that's good, because power supply, I'm just going to go through and check all the voltages, make sure everything's good, probably like each one of those ends, like where the letters are. So I figured out no power is coming through. There is 0 volts AC and DC coming out of there. Now, from the transformer, so from Q and R, actually, it's Q and ground, because, well, it's easier to get to Q. Stop turning off Windows things. So you see R goes straight to ground, so I would just been using ground. Now Q. Q goes to D1. D1 is fine. Then it goes to this capacitor. And the capacitor, it seems, it might be shorted, I don't know. But voltage is, there's a voltage difference between there. There's a resistor, there's a voltage difference between there. The net diode, when I do continuity on that one, no matter which side I put it on, it beeps. So something here, I think is one of these two I think it's this capacitor, C27, which is this one. I mean, it makes sense because yeah, that's probably it. So I know what's wrong with it, just though all these components have it like that. Not as bad. I mean, they're anyway. Boop. But yeah, I have to double check because it's been a while since I test capacitors with a multimeter. I don't want to take them all out, and I can't find my soldering iron. So once I figure out my soldering iron, replace that capacitor. Because I think that's... It may have been several weeks since I last worked on this. Since, like, the previous clip. So here I am, I got it all set up tonight. I'm just like, whatever. But then, so... From... the transformer, apparently the output is only about 16 volts, something like that. So I figured, why not? Because this has a max of 40. Let's test it out. Let's see what the input is like. I hope there's a fuse in this. If not, I'm gonna be kind of angry. Okay, I have it hooked up. Okay, on. That is at not line voltage. It's like 5 volts. Actually, I could have had the multimeter. Okay. Flip, 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 flip. 10 volts is its max. I cannot see over that. Voltage drop. Oh, it is going a lot further down, so... Okay, so this is at full line voltage. Well. Huh. It should be a sine wave. I'm trying to figure out why it would be like that. Oh, that's the diode. Okay, so there's a diode there. Okay, because I have it connected to, actually it's like right here, but all this is connected, and right here. So this is connected to here. So it's allowing power through, which is why the top is cut off. Okay, dokie. That makes sense. So then let's try the capacitor. Well, that capacitor looks like it's working. Not quite a DC voltage, but okay, from the capacitor we could do D2, because I'm looking, so I have it across here now, which is where we're getting the mostly flat. I want to try, actually want to try right here, because it goes through here and then all of this is like that. Yeah, because I think this is where we're having our issue. Let's try there. Okay. Maybe it's set to the output. Just what I thought. Literally no movement. It should be at 16 volts. Instead, we are at 0. No movement. Yeah, so, the cap is definitely bad. Well, I took the capacitor out, the large one at least. Oh, wow, why the fuck's my phone so blurry? So we're getting a level, but, yeah, this is a 470, and that's about 100 over, but I don't think it's too bad. I don't know. Still probably gonna replace it, but I think it might be the smaller one then. Smaller capacitor. The disc. This one's good too. What the fuck? So I'm trying to look at. So we're having 0 volts here. I'm guessing something along this path. Hopefully it's not fucking this. Is shorting. Now I'm probably gonna put it on reduced power too, to, test it as well. This did majority of the work, so still should work. This diode could also be bad, but it looks fine and I doubt it. It just, shit. I'm probably gonna have to remove this one too, just to make sure that this and this are fully separated. Because I think one of these is hitting ground. Let's see, which one's... trying to see which one's most likely.
All three of these are off at the moment, so it cannot go past here. This is off at the moment, so it's not going through here. So it's either going through Q1, Q2, this capacitor, here, here, which connects to this. This could be fuck. I'm gonna check the IC. Hopefully that's not it, because that's gonna be a bitch to find. One by one, we take each part. We've gotten 5 parts out. So I pulled that out. That was last. That's the first 3 of those is the main one. Then you have this capacitor. You also have this one. This is C30, which would be the schematic is right here. I believe this is extra because the IC apparently is very, very sensitive, like extremely. Any flow will fuck it up. So they have this little thing here as extra. I don't know. I forgot what it's called to prevent the voltage from bouncing up and down. So they have this little thing here. C30 is this one. And it looks like this. Looks fine to me, but I tested it, it's shorted. And now, from where, if we do, actually we can do it from up top. This is currently plugged in, but it's not powered on. Okay. It would have been, this is still very hot, so, oh, it sat right there. That's what C30 is. So I'm gonna test it from, okay. I'm gonna be testing it from right here, okay, at the end of R40 to right here, okay. I wish I had clamp ones. I'm trying to think, because this is going to be very difficult to do one-handed. Actually, no, I'm not going to do it too, okay, negative. I'm trying to make it where I don't accidentally drop that and set my apartment on fire again. I actually didn't do it the first time, but whatever. R40, okay. Okay, I'm going to put that there. Okay. Keep in mind, this is on low voltage. This is not... Okay. We're getting 19.4 volts. We're supposed to be getting 16, but there's also no current draw. But that's it. I believe that's it. I'm going to put everything else... Not even tack it in, just like barely put it in. Ooh, that looks good. I'm going to put it in, make sure it doesn't, you know, move, and then, well, I'm going to put the rest of the powertrains, the power back in. See if that works. Hopefully. Hopefully we get something closer to our original 16 volts. So, I have it on extremely low power, but... fuck. Yeah, sorry. It's still producing 16 volts whenever I have it off. On. See? That's how we're going to do it. We're going to look at that line. I need to resolder the 12 anyway. So I notice there's another issue. I think something in here has gone bad because power on. Okay, E hole. Oh, that's because I didn't set it properly. Okay. E-hole. Yeah, that's shorting to ground. Now, if I put it... I'm actually going to turn that off. Okay. Oh, you can hear it. Oh, I see it. I heard a loud pop that came from not here. It could be the wind, but it's down in there. Okay. So when it's set to the two vertical lines here, well, the vertical lines here, it's shorting. So, I'm actually gonna turn that off, but so, yeah, my phone. I need to fix the lens on my phone. Trying to see. I don't know where exactly it is. I mean, I can do the content thing and see. Took an alcohol wipe to my phone, so hopefully now everything's a lot more clear. Again. So I was looking at this, so what's happening is, what I believe it is, so the only... Ah, shit. Okay. So, this cable, so it goes from here to here, and then in that setting, the only thing that the setting connects to that these two connect to that the rest don't. I should probably mute all that. Screw it. Is, so it goes from E to F. Now I'm like, huh, what does F go to? So F is right here, and it connects to Q, and then there's also this capacitor here. Well, which goes to ground. It's like, okay, so where is this capacitor for it to go ground? C14. C14 looks somewhat familiar. It looks a lot like C30. So it's just these fuckers. These fucking red things. These fuckers. Oh, what's fucking killing it? Thankfully, there's only two, but... You fuckers. You. You're the reason. At least we figured it out. Take that one out. I'm probably not going to replace them yet. Probably just tack everything back in and then see if everything goes up without exploding. So after doing a lot of research, say research is more me. God damn phone, why are you so... Okay. Is it clear? I don't know. Anyway, after doing much research, I was trying to see. So apparently these caps are known to short out. They actually they grow these little fibers that grow to each other and just short out. So now the thing is, the modern ones don't do that. So I was like, okay, do I spend the $14 that to get new ones of those and then wait a week? Because, you know, I have no employment right now, no way to make money. Or do I just replace with these? So much the electrolytic aluminum ones. After much research and much talking with friends, apparently these will be alright, so we're putting these in. And then we can boot this up. Probably will I was gonna say probably resolder everything, but what I probably will do is make sure everything's good before. Anyway, let's do this thing. Again, every time I use this machine, I learned something new. Not about this machine, about this. I decided, why not? I'm just gonna plug in. Let's see what happens. Anyway, okay. Barely any voltage, and I already started it, and it's like, you can tell it's having issues. So I'm gonna increase it. Right? I did not realize that this thing is actually will actually watt limit itself. See, it's having trouble starting up, but then if I... Damn, that's cool. I'm not going to let it watt limit currently. Well, it will auto do it. But yeah, that's really cool. I didn't realize it would just, try to keep itself on no matter what. Well, can you see where it is? I can't see where it is. Right here. Here? It is. You kind of tell because the legs are a little bit short. Like, they're thinner. And the other one... See, I know that's a repair too, but that's... I can tell by the thickness. Where is it? I want to say that's it. Is this it? That's it. See, it's really hard to tell, but I want to say this is it? Yes, okay. This here is the new cap over here. Start it up. What? Limited, of course. I don't know. I might just go full power because the IC's not in here. Well, full power, but still, like bulbed. It bulbed. Bulb-diddery-doo. Okay. Bulb is still on. Okay. Actually, yeah, just double check. Okay. Well, so we did turn it on. Nice. Now, have to see. Bulb's not on, so I'm gonna check and see if what was it? It's between the two. Fuck. Check, make sure it is 16 volts. Should be. How we tested it before? I want to say that's ground. Shit. One side is ground. Fuck. Issues, I don't remember which side's what. I mean, I know this here was good. Okay, so that's 20 volts. How about, okay, on to D2, which I know half of is either on ground or... There it is. Looks like we have fixed it. Put that, okay. I'll put the IC in. Wait for this to cool down still. Where did my TV go? Oh yeah, it's in my room. Yeah. I'll get the TV hooked up to this and let's see if it works. I'll be very happy. I just realized I forgot to check something. Let's switch. Okay. Now it's in the what was doing the sparking before. Shit. Oh, wait. What? Oh, you know what would be helpful? Alright. If I... shit. I'm trying to remember what the fuck I was doing. Okay. 16 volts. I have switched it. Still 16 volts. And there's no sparky. Okay. No sparky. Okay, now we put the IC in, and then we do happy times. So I decided before I put the IC in, I should probably do all the soldering like I said I was going to, which I did. I'm not good at... Shit, I forgot that one. I can do that one. I'm not good at it, but... I mean, it works. But I wanted to show something. This was given to me by a friend. Now, this is a industrial one, so basically what the manager would go in, put a key and set the degree, and then it would stay that way, you know, because they didn't want people fucking with it too. You see the number bouncing up, that's because it's watt limited, like I said. But I was never given a key, so woo! I hit the thing. I made one out of cardboard. All it is that there's a UV receiver. You just plug it in, and then it starts blinking, and then you can change the temperature and all that, all you want. Ooh, it went down. That's fine. I just need it for one more anyway, but yeah. That's how my soldering iron works. I see is in. Okay, channel 3. Holy shit! It works! Woo! Sorry, I honestly did not fucking expect that. Oh my god. Oh, fuck. I am an idiot. I need a fucking color TV. Ooh, that. I think there's an audio problem. Let's do channel 4. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be. I'm sorry. I'm just so fucking happy. Holy shit. I'm. You can't see on my face, but I have the widest grin one can ever imagine. Holy shit. I am so happy. Where's the circle square? Not circle. Is there no circle? Oh, there is no circle. Oh. So I was sitting here, I'm like, huh. So I'm just like, okay, so usually with these testing machines, you know, you have a sound option where it plays a sound. And then I was sitting here and I just realized something. Okay. So the average human hearing, okay, the most like humans can hear is about 200 kilohertz. That says 4.5 megahertz. So why is it labeled sound? You would not be able to hear it. This energizes the oscillator, inserts into composite into the composite video and blanks the bars in the 2 color positions to provide ungated rainbow. A's will appear on the screen in aid of a accurately tuned, fine-tuned receiver. Well, I think so I think that's what that is. Okay. So it's not actually sound. Why label it as sound? I think it just puts just straight up the output into it, but that's weird. You have sync. I am happy. I am so happy. No. Okay. I'm gonna have to get another TV for this. Because I need to check the IF stage. And here you go. Purity. I need to check the color and IF. I don't know which one I want to use though. But that's pretty. So I found this one. This one actually needs to be very... The CRT is fine. It's the alarm clock features that are fucky. Mostly because this entire board is bad. But anyway, on. Oh, you know what'd be good? There you go. Okay. That's not accurate and you can't change it at all. Okay. Oh.
From December, and it is.
Okay. This is in color. Auto. And I want it out to be off. Okay. Okay. Okay, that works. There's no exterior input, so I don't know. What if I touch? Okay, I guess I will. Doesn't sound as good, but anyway. Oh, of course that's not gonna work, okay. Okay. It's currently in black and white. Wait. Oh, okay. That's purity. Can I... Okay. Can we see the purity? No color. No color. Huh. The color should be on. If I do this. Shit. Oh no, that's for that. Video. Oh, what's this one? No. No color. Purity. Well, there is no color. Huh. So, purity. Oh, okay, so I thought purity was color. No, it provides a sync and reference black. So that is supposed to be pure black. Yeah. I don't think that's pure black, but whatever. It works. Okay. 7 by dot. Oh yeah, 7 by 11 dot. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. we are missing 2 dots. I don't know if I want to do it with this set, but I will test it with probably a more modern one. Gated. Okay, wait. Okay, that's rainbow. Okay. Well, that's rainbow, but as you can see, it doesn't look like it. Okay. Because then this is also supposed to be a different color. This is supposed to go across each color. Why can't we see the color? I would love to see the color. Now, the only thing I can think of is also it's not... It could... Okay. There's a lot of things that it could not be doing. Because there is no color, period. I don't think it's producing the NTSC bars. Or the signal burst. Okay. Sync output. Node. Video output. See, gated rainbow also. So I don't lose my video. I don't care. I like my Nissan, my 2001 Nissan Xterra. I don't need a new Nissan, especially if they go out of business. Yeah, that's so those are the colors. Oh, so okay, so those okay. Color adjustments. I'm gonna have to read this with yeah. But yeah, there is no... See, that's I don't think it's the TV. The only way I would have to check is IF, which I can do. I can get another... God damn it, I'm probably going to need like 4 TVs to test this thing out, which makes sense, it's a TV tester, so. Of this one, composite cable. Oh, come on. IF. I believe this is how IF works. Basically just composite. Not I might fuck everything up, but... New. Oof. Well then. I'm trying to... So I've put it just through the coax of this one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Should be 11. But that's the thing. Oh! Ah, we got it. We got it. We got color. It's the pot that's bad. I think. Hang on. See, I could also have it wrong where it's like 100%, it could also be where it's like 100%, color. Hang on, here it is. Color control 1. Can I see the color control 1? There is no operation of color control 1. Oh, here it is, color control. Empt 0 is normal at Okay. The rotation of this control adjusts the color subcarrier amplitude from 0 to 150 at midpoint. Okay. Put some contact cleaner in there and then do that a bit, and then, yeah, okay. Oh. Nice. We know color control works. Ah, there it is. There it is. Oh, yeah. It's also not grounded currently, but... you might as well. I don't know. It doesn't state which side it's on. That might have to be 150. But... color also does not... It looks better IRL than it is on the phone. I can see, like, on the phone, this does not look... Yeah. But, yeah. It looks pretty IRL. But, yeah, pardon the case. The one thing is, this is sticky. I don't know why. I don't know why it's sticky. It's like the glue is coming off. Anyway, but, yeah. It looks good. Also has B&K logo on it. Yeah, I'm gonna put it, but this will actually be used again. Hasn't been used in 40 years? I don't know. 20? Probably about 20, honestly. No wonder why it didn't work. There it is. And it's nice. Faux leather. It's not leather. It's like plastic. I don't know. It looks like leather, but it does not feel like it. I mean, it's some sort of fabric, but yeah. It's done. I am happy.